Hey, what's up, guys? Let's get into the process, what we look for before entering a trade, and what we saw before entering this one that we just closed out. We got a nice one during New York too. I won't review that one because the entry and exit is identical to this. It's just a different direction. So this should explain it. Let's start off with market structure, right? So we're just gonna look at price action and get an idea of the trend. You can't deny this is a bullish trend. And then upon opening for Asia, what I was looking at was this high because we had a break of structure, right? So if the trend was actually going to be bullish in Asia, we would have to have a good closure above this zone, which we did right here. Price kind of chopped around for a minute and then it expanded away from it. So this confirmed that this setup was a bullish setup. If you look at, let's say, a fair value gap, on the 5, you see, yes, it inversed it, but then it invalidated the inversion by reclosing in the bullish direction and creating a break of structure. So this sequence alone tells me the price is bullish in the short term. And we were able to kind of expand from these lows. So it was a nice trend that was being built, and simply after establishing the trend, we look for the entry model. So today was a 5-minute gap, and I was looking for just draw into it and then a good green closure in the bullish direction. Or if we had an inversion, because the trend was bullish, I would hope that price comes back and invalidates that. So either this or that was cool. What ended up happening was, if you look at this 5-minute candle right here, it was a weak closure. I didn't like that. On the 1, it looked strong, but I was looking at the 5, so I skipped out on that one for more confirmation. And this candle is the one where we decided to mark it in because we had like 3 displacive green candles back to back. So it got in, set our model stop, and simply targeted. So this was draw for me, but the reason we took earlier is because this puts us at a 2R. And I noticed that this model thrives when you set it at a 2R. You either get trailed out or break even or something, but more times than not, 2R is pretty solid. Like, it seems to get tagged very often, so that's just where I keep it. Obviously, I could have stretched it out, got a couple more points, but it didn't make sense because I back tested it and 2R is like a sweet spot. So that's pretty much it. We did the same thing for the morning trade. Obviously, in the morning, price was pretty junk, but a trend was finally kind of established, lower lows, lower highs, and then we found an entry model and simply had our 2R there as well. So yeah, I hope that makes sense, guys. Peace out.